Okay, so compound interest is cool, but exponential growth and decay is that same energy turned up to 100. This is what's happening whenever something changes by a fixed percentage every round. Bacteria doubling, your Instagram follower count snowballing, a new iPhone losing half its value the second you open the box. Same vibe. The master formula is literally the same one you used for compound interest. V equals V naught multiplied by, open bracket, 1 plus R divided by 100, close bracket, to the power of N. Where V naught is the starting value, R is the percentage per period, and N is the number of periods. Lock that in. For growth, R is positive, like a population growing at 3% a year, so use 1.03. For decay, R is negative, like your phone dropping 20% a year, so use 0.8. Two traps examiners love to catch you on. Don't write open bracket 1 minus 0.2 close bracket to the power of n as negative 0.2 to the power of n. It's 0.8 to the power of n. That's free marks lost. Check the period. Is it per year, per month, per hour? Mix those up and the whole answer goes sideways. Worked example: bacteria population and car depreciation. Problem A. A bacteria colony starts with 500 cells and levels up by 8% every hour. How many cells after 6 hours? B. Your cousin buys a car for $24,000 that depreciates, losing value, at 15% per year. What's it worth after 4 years? Both answers to the nearest whole number. Step 1. For part A, grab the ingredients. V naught equals 500, rate R equals positive 8%, periods N equals 6. Multiplier per hour is 1 plus 8 divided by 100, which equals 1.08. V equals 500 multiplied by, open bracket, 1.08 close bracket to the power of 6. Step 2. Type it into the calculator in one go. Don't round midway. That's how you lose marks. V equals 500 multiplied by 1.586874, which equals 793.437. Step 3. Round to the nearest whole cell, because you can't have half a bacterium. V is approximately 793 cells. Step 4. For part B, decay mode. V naught equals 24,000. R equals negative 15%. N equals 4. Multiplier is 1 minus 15 divided by 100, which equals 0.85. Resist the urge to use negative 0.15. V equals 24,000 multiplied by, open bracket, 0.85 close bracket to the power of 4. Step 5. Evaluate and round to the nearest dollar. That car lost $11,472 in 4 years. Brutal. V equals 24,000 multiplied by 0.52200625, which equals 12,528.15. V is approximately $12,528. If you want more clear notes and exam-style practice questions, download the practice book. Link in the description.